Yo, this is the slow version of Girls. 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 I love girls. I love girls. I love girls. I love girls. Walking down the street, breathing holy moly. A chick shaking it like guacamole. It's hard, got rough. And this I know you know. She's fly, she's old, like an OVO. Hey lady, baby, please have my baby. Twinkle in her eyes, does that mean maybe? I entertain my thoughts, cause she's the queen of my dreams. Swan of streams, she bright like gleam. She's sparkles, yes, she's a diamond gleaming. I'm fiending, steaming, cats know what I'm meaning. I cuss, cause it sounds like a bus through the slush. I'm in the middle of the traffic, in the center of the rush. I was street dreaming and caught up in my lust, but now my sister's crushed and she's under the bus. No longer an object, I made her an object. I made her a project, and I don't object. My perspective has changed. They are not just objects. Booty perspective was my only logic. Women and nouns made with special purpose. Men respect women cause they ain't worthless. My perspective has changed. They are not just objects. Booty perspective was my only logic. Women and nouns made with special purpose. Men respect women cause they ain't worthless. I have 3 sisters, better yet I got 4. And if you count every girl in this world, I got more. I'll be damned and can if they a hoe. Yo, brothers protect the ladies, especially down low. And if you boom boom, boom boom it up, remember she's a person with feelings. Feelings corrupt, so if you mess around with a limbic brain, what I mean, man, she may go strain insane. Like Lorena Bobbitt, you may be feeling the pain. No more, I can't give you no more. I can't give you no more. That was just a sample, man. That's a sample. Oh, no, that's a sample. I'm not giving you no more. That's just a little sample. I gotta turn up this video